Okay, hey folks. So, I've been coming down with this autumn cold ever since the weather kind of changed. And I'm feeling seriously crappy. I guess I should be quarantined or something, because, infectious. Anyway, I thought for your enjoyment, I would get some sneezes out. So, let's see if it works. Oh, fuck. Eyes are watering. And it's about to come out, but it just won't. You know the feeling. Oh, that tickles. Oh. Oh, fuck. Oh. Alright, next try. I'm not giving up that easily. Obviously. Oh, fuck. Oh. God, they're gross. So wet. Oh, fucking hell. Oh, I hate this. Oh, fuck, I hate being sick. Ugh. Oh, that's disgusting. I wish I had someone to take care of me. 'Cause being home alone and sick, seriously, is pathetic. Oh, that won't stop. Oh. Oh, it's exhausting. fuck. I hope you guys are seriously liking this because it's killing me. Alright. I gotta take a break and get some sleep. But maybe if I feel better later, I will make another recording. Alright, see you later.